Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have an Echo Park Christmas mystery box unboxing, you guys. And I know, I said I wasn't gonna buy it and I didn't, but I was in bed that night. I was like, babe, I really wanted to get this box, but I'm not gonna get it. I'm gonna be good. I'm not gonna get it. And he ordered it for me. So I'm going to share with you guys what's inside the Christmas mystery box. I know I posted about it. I posted about it like when they were having the Christmas mystery box sale. You guys know I really wanted it, but I promise I did not buy it. Babe bought it for me. So I am going to share with you guys what's inside and what came in the Christmas mystery box. And I'm secretly hoping there's a little bit of Christmas Winnie the Pooh in there, but actually I don't really know what's in here. So let's find out together. All right guys, so I'm gonna open this up. Let's see. Oh my God. Okay, I was trying to see if there's like a little like a catalog in here for me to take out or like an order purchase, but there isn't. And there is a lot of stuff in here, you guys. So we have some frames and tags. This is from the White Christmas collection by Carta. You guys know I don't use a lot of ephemera, but we're gonna use some ephemera. We got some season's greetings. They tend to be on the larger size, so I need to make some stuff where I can use this. This one, I have this one. I literally just opened this one the other day. This one's a Have a Holly Jolly Christmas by Echo Park. Yeah, I used some of this the other day in my card folios. We got some Happy Holidays puffy stickers. I just used up this whole 6x6 paper pad. Maybe there's one in here. I don't know. So that's cool though. I like these stickers actually. I like the little Santa. The little Santa's so cute. Then we got puffy stickers from the Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. You guys know I don't really buy puffy stickers, but these are actually going to come in handy. These ones are going to come in handy, and they're small so that I'll be able to like use them. We got the Happy Holidays sticker book. I haven't even seen this sticker book, I don't think. This would have came in handy when I was using it the other day. When I was making all the things with the Happy Holidays paper pad, the 6x6 paper pad that I got. But actually, is that it right there? Guys, we got another one. Okay, let me hide it back up. That's exciting. So this is the sticker book. You got some fun stuffs in here. Well, that's very exciting. Now I'm extra excited. This seems like a good Christmas mystery box, you guys. Even if there's no Winnie the Pooh in here, this seems... Oh, I love the words. Yes. This seems like a good Christmas mystery box. I'm excited. That makes me happy. When they're good ones, I like it. All right, so that is the Happy Holiday sticker book. I actually really like that a lot. We have the Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. This is the adhesive brads. I actually ran out of my brads the other day, so that'll be good. I could add these to my projects. And we got some little chipboard pieces. You guys know I don't use washi tape really, but we got this little truck here with Santa. Maybe we could decorate something with it. These little trees and then some florals. I mean, they're not bad washi tapes. They are not bad washi tapes, so maybe we'll figure out what to do with those. We have the Happy Holidays 6x6 paper pad. I did already a flip through in my previous video because I did get this in the 6x6 paper pad sale when they were having that. So you guys could check out that video for the flip through. The Season's Greetings, this one, I don't have this one in my stash, so I'll share this one with you guys. But like I said, the Happy Holidays one, I'll have a video linked down below where you guys could check out my most recent 6x6 paper pad haul. And I'll share with you guys like the flip through of that. So this is the Season's Greetings. Oh, this is like a vintagey one, but I mean this is kind of cute too. Yeah, we could use this. We can make some more card folios. That'll be great. All right, so we got that. Then we got some chipboard. We got some Happy Christmas chipboard by Carta. And these are fine for me because even if I don't want all the extra layers, you can peel back the chipboard and just make it so much flatter. So I can definitely use these guys in my projects. And I love having phrases. And this is from the Have a Holly Jolly Christmas, but like so many of these will go great on just like a card because it's just a phrase. It's like your sentiment on a card. So that would go really great for that. Then they also have the Have a Holly Jolly Christmas in here. I'm going to take these out now because I feel like I can show you. So Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. I don't know if I have this one in my stash, but I'm about to cut this up and use it. Maybe. I'm going to see if I have another one. And if not, then I'll probably try to use one that I have a double of because I have some 3x4 mini notebooks I got to make. So we'll see. This is the Christmas Flora. So it's a bunch of florals. Really pretty. This will make a nice album. I think I have this one, but the one with the pinks. I don't think I have this one specifically. So that's a fun one. The stickers. Oh, I didn't show you guys the stickers of the other one. I have a Holly Jolly Christmas stickers. This is so cute. I gotta see if I have that collection. And then we got some solids in here, which is Christmas Cheer by Carta. And as you guys know, I like to get solids anyway. Hazel, no bite your paws. Sorry guys, Hazel, my dog, was biting her paw. She's got crazy allergies. Anyway, so I like to buy Christmas papers, whether they match a collection I have or not, because you can mix and match. You don't just have to use them with this paper collection. A lot of these papers will go with other collections as well. It's just red and green and shades of red and green for the most part. Some tan, some black. Like, you could use this wherever you want. It doesn't have to go with a specific collection. So I feel like this is pretty good, you guys. Okay, so all of this, you guys, was $45 with free shipping. I wanted to see if that was a good deal because I was like, I don't know, but I priced it out. So the collection kits were each technically during the warehouse sale. If you don't buy like 10 or more, if you buy like a couple or whatever, they end up being $7.50 each. So we're at $15 right there. The solids are normally $3, so now we're at $18. The sticker book is $5 usually on the warehouse sale, so now we're at $23. Washi tape is usually $2 each, so for a total of $6 for here. So now we were at 23, so now $29. Puffy stickers, they are $3 each on the warehouse sale, so now we're at $35. Ephemera is $2 each, so now we're at $41. 6x6 paper pads are $4 each during the warehouse sale, and so now we're at, that's $8, so now we're at $49. And then the brads are $3 each, so now we're at $52. So you got 52 kind of sale product worth of stuff for $45 with free shipping, which is still a pretty good deal. I would probably, like, obviously the one thing I'm probably not really going to use is this. So technically if I was to say, like, you know, it's $52 minus $6, it's still a good deal. Because that would have been, I mean, it's not the best deal. Then it would have been like $46, right? If I was to buy it without the washi tape, I gotta just save $1. But you know what? We're gonna figure out a way to use it, and we're gonna make sure that we got the money's worth here. We'll figure it out. Whether I add it to cards or envelopes or something, we will figure it out. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this mystery box unboxing video. I am really excited for this Happy Holidays paper, and I'm excited I got the sticker book to go with it, plus the puffy stickers, like that right there. Yes, I'm very excited. And I'm also excited for this because I will make another 3 or 4 card folios with this, hopefully by the end of the year, by the end of the season, hopefully by December, maybe. We'll try. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this Christmas mystery box unboxing, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.